Hello everyone. In the last lecture of the playlist Introduction to Prolog Programming, we have talked about how to write Prolog codes when some facts or statements have been given to you. Based on that statement, we have concluded what would be the action or what could be the scenario. That type of programming we have done in the last class. Today, similar type of code, but where the output is little different. That will be our objective. Today, there also will be some statements or facts will be given to you. You have to write the facts into the Prolog codes. Then, after the writing of the Prolog codes, you have to identify who does what. That's the thing. That who, what, that type of questions, or you have to identify the subject name or the doing what, that you need to identify by writing the Prolog coding. It will be much more clear to you when we have talked about the facts and the queries. So we have 5 facts given to you. So these 5 sentences are given. So given means that is, you know that these are correct. So what are those? That is Ram likes mango, Sima is a girl, Bill likes Cindy, Rose is red, John owns gold. These 5 sentences or facts have been given to you. Now you have to represent these 5 facts into their Prolog codes. So what will be the codes? That is, first is Ram likes mango. So likes within bracket it becomes Ram, mango. Then Sima is a girl. So that is written over here. That is girl. Who is girl? Sima is the girl. Similar likes statement was that Bill likes Cindy. So that is likes Bill, Cindy. Then Rose is red. So what is red? Rose. So red will be used in within bracket of red. That is red, rose. John owns gold. So owns who? That is a John. Then what? Then gold. That will be the representation of the Prolog codes when these 5 facts have been given to you. Now, what are the queries you want to identify? That is, Ram likes what? Suppose that is the query. That is Ram likes what? So that what answer should be your mango. So that is likes. Then we have already filled the Ram. That is, you want to identify Ram likes what. That is, and you want to output of the thing mango. That is the what part. Okay. Now another, if you want to find out, that is who likes Cindy. That is the query. That is who likes Cindy. So then here will be who. That is in the place of Bill it will be who. Then it will be Cindy. Then what is red? So the answer will be rose. So red within bracket white. Now who owns what? If that was the query, then how to write down? That is owns who what? Then the output will be John gold. So these codes, that is the codes, right? 5 lines of code for each of the 5 facts. That code you have need to write down in a notepad and you have to save it in the name.pl. Our name for the program is prog5.pl. That's how you have to save it. And we have saved it here. So here that is the code that we have saved. So how to open it in GNU Prolog? You just need to double click it. And whenever you are going to write the code in .pl extension, it will be, you are going to get automatically this particular symbol. So if that is given, so that means it will be opened in GNU Prolog itself. And it has been opened and you can just see it has been already compiled. So that is, compilation has been done. Now you have to give your queries. So what is the first query? Ram likes what? So this is the first thing. This thing you have to copy and then you have to just paste it in here. So you have pasted it. Now just give one enter. So result is what? Result is mango. Now the query is who likes Cindy? So what you need to write? You have to write it down over here. Now who answer is Bill, right? Next, this part, what is red? So we have just copying it and you will be just pasting it over here. So answer is row. That is another correct answer. Another one is who owns what? So now just check. Now there are two queries. So how we are getting the answer? So answer, just place the query and give an enter. So what answer is gold and who answer is John. Okay, so this is how the queries you have to write down and the codes based on the facts given. So we are going to get the who, what question answer by this Prolog programming. So I hope you have liked this particular lecture video. Thank you everyone for watching this video and happy